Okay, we are going to do a review of Tuneful hair on AliExpress and Amazon. This is not a sponsored review, so we're just going to open up the hair. I will try it on later. I do not remember what I ordered. It may or may not be 26-inch. Body Wave 13x6 HD lace. I feel like I've bought this hair before, but I don't remember. So I think I bought Tinashe hair, maybe not Tuneful hair. That's what the packaging looks like. Comes with your standard stuff. Wig cap, some lashes that I'm never gonna use. It is a 24-inch 13x6 lace frontal body wave. Okay. Let's see. Super bouncy. It does kind of have like a factory-ish smell. Lace doesn't look bad. You can see that. Put my you can see this girl slipping and sliding. So we'll have to bleach that, but I think it'll do pretty well. One little strand, but that could be because I just got my nails done and the place that I went to kind of snagged it, but it's super soft. I only got that one little strand still. You know, I like to make sure. See if it's gonna tangle. No, didn't tangle. It's giving like Barbie hair. Didn't tangle. Didn't tangle. So we will come back once I have customized it, washed it, and see what it gives. But so far looks pretty good. Okay, Tuneful hair.